No myths, no aliens, just real artifacts that should not exist according to modern history. 1. The Antikythera mechanism, the world's first computer. In 1901, Greek sponge divers exploring a shipwreck pulled up what looked like a corroded lump of metal. At first, it was dismissed as junk, but when scientists examined it with X-rays, something extraordinary appeared. Inside were interlocking bronze gears, precise, complex, and mathematically arranged. Historians eventually realized they were looking at a mechanical computer, built more than 2,000 years ago. The device could accurately predict solar eclipses, planetary movements, astronomical cycles. This level of technology was not supposed to exist until the Middle Ages. So who built it? And how did ancient engineers achieve such precision without modern tools? 2. Roman concrete, the material that refuses to fail. Modern concrete cracks and crumbles within decades. But Roman concrete has survived for over 2,000 years, enduring earthquakes, storms, and constant exposure to seawater. Even more astonishing is what happens when it comes into contact with the ocean. Instead of weakening, it becomes stronger. Only recently did scientists uncover the secret. The Romans used volcanic ash and lime in a precise mixture that allowed crystals to grow inside cracks, effectively self-healing the structure. A construction technology superior to our own. So why was it lost? And why did humanity abandon a method that worked better? 3. The Saqqara Serapeum, granite boxes of impossible precision deep beneath the sands of Egypt. In the tunnels of Saqqara lie massive granite boxes. Each weighs over 100 tons. Their interiors are cut with perfect right angles. Their surfaces are mirror smooth. Their precision is accurate to fractions of a millimeter. Granite is harder than steel. Even with modern machinery, replicating this level of craftsmanship would be extremely difficult. Yet these boxes were carved thousands of years ago, deep underground. How did ancient Egyptians achieve this? And what were these massive containers truly meant for? 4. The Baghdad battery, electricity before science. In the early 20th century, archaeologists in Iraq uncovered simple clay jars. Inside were copper cylinders and iron rods. When filled with acidic liquid, the jars produced electric current. They date back nearly 2,000 years. Today, they are known as the Baghdad batteries. But no one knows what they powered, why they were made, or how widespread this knowledge was. Was electricity discovered long before modern science? And if so, what happened to that knowledge? 5. Inca stonework, engineering without tools. High in the Andes, the Inca built massive stone walls without mortar. Each stone fits so perfectly that not even a razor blade can slide between them. Some blocks weigh more than 100 tons. They were transported across mountains, without wheels, iron tools, or draft animals. Even more impressive, these walls are earthquake resistant, flexing rather than collapsing. Modern engineers still study them. Yet no one can fully explain how the Inca cut, moved, and fitted stone with such precision. 6. Vimanas, the flying machines of ancient India. Ancient Sanskrit texts describe flying machines known as vimanas. These texts include details about propulsion systems, metals and fuels, vertical takeoff, long-distance travel. Some even describe aerial battles in the sky. For centuries, these passages were dismissed as myth, but some descriptions read less like poetry and more like technical manuals. Were these symbolic stories? Or fragmented memories of technology we no longer understand? 7. The Nazca lines, art for the sky. In the deserts of Peru lie enormous drawings etched into the earth. Animals, geometric patterns, perfect straight lines stretching for kilometers. They are so large they can only be fully seen from the air. Yet the Nazca people had no known way to fly. So why create artwork meant to be viewed from the sky? And how were these lines made with such precision, without disturbing the surrounding ground? 8. Greek fire, the lost super weapon. The Byzantine Empire possessed a weapon so terrifying it changed naval warfare. Greek fire burned on water, could not be extinguished, and caused panic wherever it appeared. Its formula was guarded with extreme secrecy. When the civilization fell, the recipe vanished. Even today, scientists cannot recreate it. An ancient weapon more powerful than modern napalm, lost forever. 9. The Great Pyramid, a monument of impossible alignment. The Great Pyramid of Giza is aligned to true north with astonishing accuracy. In some cases, more precise than modern buildings. It also aligns with Earth's cardinal points, star constellations, mathematical constants, all achieved without telescopes, satellites, or computers. Was this coincidence? Or evidence of astronomical knowledge inherited from a much older civilization? 10. Ancient automatons, the first robots. Ancient texts describe machines that moved on their own. They opened doors, poured drinks, played music. Greek engineers like Hero of Alexandria built devices powered by steam, air pressure, and weights. Primitive robots, over 2,000 years ago. So why did technological progress suddenly stop? Conclusion: the uncomfortable truth. These technologies are not myths. They are real, documented, physically proven, but they don't fit the simple story we are told about human progress. History may not be a straight line forward. Knowledge may rise, collapse, and rise again. And maybe our ancestors weren't primitive at all. Maybe they were advanced in ways we are only beginning to rediscover. So the real question isn't, how did they do it? The real question is, what else have we forgotten?